Hello, future makers. Welcome to Teacherpreneur. I've always been an ardent believer of once a teacher, always a learner. I believe if you're a teacher, you have to constantly keep learning. You have to constantly keep upgrading yourself for your growth. If you grow mentally, physically, financially, or personally, then definitely your kids will see that growth and you will see that growth in your kids as well. Since COVID hit us, we had a lot of free time, and in this free time, how we utilized our time has determined where we are currently. When there was lockdown, initial few months of lockdown, I was all normal, just like you, thinking about when will I get back to my classes, what will happen. I was newly married, so I was learning the responsibilities of the home as well. But then it hit me that if you keep on waiting for an opportunity, nothing is gonna happen. Whenever an opportunity knocks your door, you should grab it immediately. That's exactly what I did. During quarantine, the best decision that I've taken is investing in courses. I did invest in courses, learned like I would at a university, implemented everything that was taught, and here I am in front of you. I've literally grown from around 600 subscribers to 30,000 subscribers right now, and it is not merely luck factor. It has been a bit of hard work and perseverance along with consistency and of course the correct mentorship of my mentors. The first course that I took during lockdown was the Hustle Post Academy by Saloni Srivastava. This is an amazing course. When I joined the Hustle Post Academy, I was around 600 subscribers, and exactly 1 year after joining that academy, I can show you statistics that I had around 25,000 plus subscribers. That has been my journey through Hustle Post Academy. Saloni Srivastava is very inspiring, and the way she takes care of each and every student inside the academy was amazing. The best part about this course is the way it has been structured and the kind of systems that is established in the course. Once you join the academy, you get access to the dashboard, which has a number of options to choose from. I have actually been through each and every module very diligently and took down my notes. I have at least 3 major books that have been full due to the notes that I've taken from Hustle Post Academy. It's not only about the recorded lessons, but if you have any doubts while you are in the journey, you can of course get solution of your problems through Office Hour Calls with Saloni. She comes on calls every week and you can ask any doubt you have without any hesitation. The biggest bonus of being in Hustle Post Academy is the community that you get. Each and everyone has an amazing story and all of them are very inspiring and motivating. I just love to be a part of the community, and I've made so many amazing online friends because of the HPA Academy that I cannot thank Saloni enough for creating such a wonderful course. Due to Hustle Post Academy, I got a roadmap of what I should do as a content creator. Before that, I was creating content, but I had no vision, no goal. And because of HPA, I knew exactly what steps to take and how to move forward in this journey. That's why I'll forever be grateful to Hustle Post Academy for making me who I am. The next set of courses are from Sonita Manwa. Sonita was also a part of Hustle Post Academy, and her courses have really changed the way I look at internet and content creation. The first course that I took from Sonita was YouTube Roadmap Academy. The depth with which Sonita teaches you the minute details of YouTube is amazing. If you really want to be a YouTube content creator, I think you must go to Sonita and ask her for the YouTube Roadmap Academy course details. By then, I had understood that just creating content on one platform is not sufficient. You have to grow and create content on at least 2 social media platforms. Then I thought of doing something about my Instagram. If you see my Instagram before and then if you see my Instagram after, you'll understand why MCA has been a life changer. By MCA, I mean Magnetic Content Academy. This course of Sonita has been very good because she will actually take you through nitties and gritties of Instagram and how you should make an Instagram post, what should be a strategy and much more. Sonita, I can't thank you enough for the way you've taught us in depth and the way you've handled all our queries, and actually your course has been transformational for my social media. So thank you so much. One more course of Sonita that I took was CCA Bootcamp. CCA Bootcamp means Confident Coach Accelerator Bootcamp. This was a very comprehensive program where Sonita gave us limited number of hours to show results. And only because of this, I could make a whole course within a limited period of time. When you know the deadlines, things get on working faster, and my productivity literally doubled because of this course of Sonita. Also, she cleared all the minutest doubts that I might have, and she's always willing to help you out in whatever way possible. And it's only because of Sonita's help that I could launch Phonicpreneur. If you want to know what Phonicpreneur is, head over to my Instagram and you'll get all the details in my highlight section. If you want to be a coach and you want to learn the roadmap of how to create a course and what to do about it, Sonita is the correct person for you. The next course that I took was about email marketing. Being a social media creator, emails play a very important role. I was a novice to the world of emails when Lakshmi came in and taught me what is it about and how you should go about doing it. Lakshmi's email marketing course taught me that emails can be a game changer for your business. If you write emails to a person, then they feel connected to you. So to build that connection and go beyond the world of YouTube and Instagram and to have a personal connection with all your future makers, this is the course that I took. Because of Lakshmi, it is now possible that I'm ready to give you the top 50 teacher interview questions, top 25 group discussion topics, and I can also send out monthly newsletters to each one of you who subscribes. If you still don't know what newsletters is, it's like small message from my side to you, a personal message that will build a connection between us, wherein you'll know what's happening in our life, what's happening in the education field every month at least. So if you want to be a part of my newsletter group, then the link is in the bio. The kind of depth that Lakshmi has about email marketing, nobody else can ever have. So Lakshmi, kudos to you for the kind of course that you've created, the kind of knowledge that you have, and the way you pass it on to us. Thank you so much for whatever you've done for us. So by now, by taking all these courses and implementing whatever I'd learned so far, I'd already started gaining a lot of subscribers. And recently, I started having imposter syndrome on how I should be, what I should look like, and how I should appear on camera. Whether I should put this kind of content, whether I should not. And because of this confusion, I thought there's a need to have a coach that will actually guide my appearance. There are many things that we need to be taught, but nobody teaches you. And Ananya Shetty from Mero's Home taught me exactly that. Ananya very beautifully tells us about the fabric, color, texture, accessories, makeup, skincare, hair care, what is your body type, what is your face type, what kind of a look you should have, what kind of colors you should wear, what kind of personality you should exhibit when you go for a certain occasion, and how you can make your appearance look bright and brilliant. The way Ananya takes you through each and every aspect of your image, she tells you to mend your inner image as well as your outer image. She's been the one who's taught me that your outer image is a secondary thing, but your inner image is the primary thing that you should work on. If you have self-doubts, limiting beliefs inside you, you'll never be able to come out. So it's okay if you have a different sort of body type or if you have a different type of face shape. But what's important is you have confidence in who you are. The kind of teeth you have or the kind of hair you have will impact you later, but the kind of self-worth that you have for yourself will bring out confidence, and confidence and smile is above everything. She is the one who actually made my image the way you all look at it today. So kudos to Ananya for making something like this and developing that confidence inside me, that I can come on a public platform and talk about whatever I want to rather than what people want to see me as. While in the third trimester of pregnancy, I realized that now working physically is gonna be a bit difficult for me. So why not learn something new sitting on one place itself? That's exactly when I enrolled into LinkedIn Rockstars Academy by Pallavi Hegde. I had a discovery call with Pallavi wherein I was very nervous about whether I should take the course or whether this would be the right time frame. But then I realized that if I do later, that later is never gonna come, because with a child in my hand, the responsibilities are definitely gonna increase. That's when I decided to go for it. Throughout my third trimester, while delivery and a bit post-delivery, I was learning how to post content on LinkedIn. Through LinkedIn, she taught me how we can make correct connections on LinkedIn, how we can meet professionals from your industry, and how you can help reach out more and more professional people in your niche. The way Pallavi has designed the course, the way Pallavi talks to us and makes us comfortable is just amazing. Even after the course is over, Pallavi is always available to solve all the doubts that we have in our mind. If you really want to learn LinkedIn in depth, LinkedIn Rockstars Academy by Pallavi Hegde is your answer, and the link for that is in the description. The next course that I took was from the mindset coach Shrestha from This Might Help. This course really helped me to change my mindset a lot. I think that if you want to achieve anything in life, even though you know the steps, the correct mindset is what takes you through. Shrestha helped me develop that kind of mindset, and it was definitely what I required at that point of time. I had sleep issues, I used to eat late night. There were a lot of things that were happening around me, newly getting married in this corona, not getting to teach had really took up my mind. And then there was no career growth that I could see, and it really affected me. And then the pregnancy happened. All this had taken a toll on my mental health, and I needed someone to make me calm. And Shrestha's course did exactly that. We learned a lot of things like meditation, how to concentrate on your breathing, and much more. The best thing that happened to me due to this course was that now I was mindful about whatever I was putting in my body, and I could sleep anywhere at any time with peace because I did not have a lot of thoughts running in my body. I could calm myself down, and meditation became like a daily practice for me. Till date, I practice a bit of silence every morning, which helps me calm a lot. I take my cup of coffee, go by the window, and just observe silence. I let all of my thoughts settle down, and then only I start my day. This really helps me. Also, while sleeping, if I'm disturbed, I play Yoga Nidra suggested by Shrestha, and that really changes the game. The kind of sleep that I get after listening to Yoga Nidra is mesmerizing. Next day when I get up, I understand that I'm getting up with a lot of new energy in me. And Shrestha, if you're watching this, I'm really grateful to you because I've learned a lot from you. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. So if you're on the fence about how you should develop or how you should grow as a person, then online courses are the new thing that you should definitely invest in. They will make you better physically, mentally, personally, and financially. So you should also take up any course that is pertaining to your field, go for that course and become a better person. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell me which of these courses would you like to take, or what courses are you planning to take in the near future. Share this with your teacher friends and family so that they can grow too. And subscribe to Teacherpreneur for more such videos. See you tomorrow.